Welcome to day 5 of 100 days of data analytics. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic: common mistakes new data analysts make. Starting a career in data analytics can be exciting, but many beginners often stumble into common pitfalls that can hinder their success. Understanding these mistakes is essential for growth and effectiveness in your role. One of the most significant mistakes new analysts make is rushing into analysis without properly cleaning and preparing their data. Blind spots in assumptions. Assumptions can shape your analysis, but unchecked assumptions may introduce biases. It's crucial to critically evaluate your assumptions and consider alternative perspectives to ensure the reliability of your findings. Lack of domain knowledge. Data analysis without context is like navigating without a compass. Invest time in learning about the industry and collaborating with subject matter experts. Complexity over clarity. In an attempt to showcase their skills, new analysts may create overly complex models that confuse rather than clarify. Always strive for simplicity and clarity in your analyses, focusing on straightforward methods that resonate with stakeholders. Communication breakdown. Effective communication is vital for impactful data analysis. Stagnation in skill development. The field of data analytics is constantly evolving, and some new analysts fall into the trap of complacency. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning by seeking out training opportunities, networking with peers, and staying updated on industry trends. Ignoring data visualization, best practices. Presenting your findings effectively is just as important as conducting the analysis itself. Poorly designed visualizations can obscure insights and confuse stakeholders. Learn the principles of effective data visualization to enhance understanding. Not validating results. Validation is crucial for ensuring the accuracy of your findings before presenting them. In conclusion, by being aware of these common mistakes, you can enhance your skills as a data analyst and deliver more accurate and actionable insights. Subscribe to our channel iSyncU Consulting to stay updated with the latest industry data trends and daily learning opportunities. We're excited to announce new batches for data analytics, DBA and DevOps are starting soon. Let's connect tomorrow for day 6 of 100 days of data analytics learning. Until then, keep learning and master the data skills with iSync Consulting.